Sausage, eggs, and cheese may sound simple, but yet it is some good groceries, y'all. Today, we're doing a remake of one of my most popular videos. Again, simple, but that growing up, we didn't have a whole lot of cash. This right here was some way to get breakfast on the table, lickety split. First thing to do is brown our sausage off. And I'm using one of my favorite sausages, a local sausage, Nisi's sausage. While your sausage is cooking, we're gonna come over here on our cutting board and we're gonna focus on our eggs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take 6 eggs. I know, we live in large with 6 eggs, and I opted for the jumbo here, y'all, jumbo eggs. To that, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of, this is half and half. The jury's still out on what you put in here. Do you put heavy whipping cream? Do you put milk? Do you put water? I just do whatever. This is what we do. All right, now that our eggs are done, we're gonna come over and we're just gonna chop our sausage up to just some nice crumbles. You really just don't want any kind of thick crumbles. You want it to kind of resemble something small so somebody don't have a big piece of sausage. Once your sausage resembles something like this, you're good to go. Also, what I did is I cut my 2 middle burners off to get ready to cook my eggs. Now, to our sausage mixture, we're gonna put down a few pats of butter. Once your butter's nice and melted, ready for your eggs. So I'm just going to come in here, pour the eggs right over our sausage, just let it fill in those cracks. And we're just letting the eggs cook. We're not really coming in trying to get at it. We're just letting the eggs cook, do its thing. Eggs, you want them to go at a really, just a slow go, right? If you have trouble cooking eggs, y'all, I just posted a really good video just recently. Hey, look down in the description below. You'll find that video. And at the end of this video, you'll see the link to get there. I appreciate it. You see how the eggs are cooking very nicely on these edges? That tells me we're ready to flip. Look at that. No burnt eggs at all. There's this nice, succulent, soft. It's time for the cheese. I'm gonna come in here, use whatever cheese you like. I like this creamy melt, triple cheddar. Use however much, as little as you want. At this point, I'm just gonna let it chill, and then I'm going to mix everything in together. But right now, I want those eggs to cook. I want it to kind of melt the cheese a little bit. Then we're going to just chop it up. Now will be a good time if you want to do toast, you want to do tortillas, whatever. Now would be a great time to put those on the griddle as well. Do a little bit of this Dave's Killer Bread, everything bagel. It's good stuff. And oh, what the heck, I got tortillas too. Hey, I appreciate each and every one of you so far. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you don't mind, leave me a comment because I would love to interact with you. Time to get these things off the Blackstone. I come and get our sausage, put it on our serving platter. Y'all, just look at this beautiness, simpleness of sausage and eggs. My golly. Good night in the morning. That's going to be some good groceries. Let's give us a try. I love these sausage and eggs. Gosh, I love them. I've been waiting for this all day. Cheers. It just tastes like home. It reminds me of my mom growing up. Saturday mornings, Sunday mornings right before church. You know, sometimes we didn't have bread, we didn't have tortillas, I guarantee that. But man, it just, just reminds me of home. I think you and I think your family will love it too. I want to go with a tortilla and a little bit of hot sauce. Oh man. Cheers, y'all. Oh, I got something right now? No. I love what that sriracha does with that sausage and those eggs. Y'all, if you're looking for a really quick idea for breakfast, give us a try. Hey, I want you to click on this video right here to show you how to make the best eggs possible.